Chanel and this is Unfiltered. The question for today is, do you think voting should be mandatory? Why or why not?
No, I don't think it should be mandatory because it is your right and it's your choice. What if the options are not what you would like? I don't think somebody should force you to choose what you don't want to choose. So I think it should be non-mandatory and leave it at the person's choice whether or not they're going to vote or not.
Throughout the entire universe, people normally vote, right? We're supposed to vote for a better constitution or constitutional right. But because of all the things that's going in Jamaica, most people don't want to really vote because they want to see better, and most people say they're not seeing anything for them to vote for. So most people lay back and don't want to vote, but I think we should vote for better.
It should be mandatory because everybody complain. So you can't complain to the road full of pothole if you never vote for somebody who did go fix the pothole. Everybody feel it. Once upon a time, crime and violence only did affect downtown and the garrison. Now Cherry Gardens have Zozo and everybody have to have camera and everywhere for grill up. So why not vote?
Voting shouldn't. It's supposed to be free willingly because it based on how you see if a person can run a country and them fit enough. So if me not see you fit enough run country, me not go by what you say, me not go do what you say. Me not go by nothing what you say. So basically it's up to me if me want to vote for you, yes or no.
No, I don't think it should be mandatory. You should have your free will because God gave everybody choices. All right, so you have a choice to vote or not to vote.
No, well, I think you should have a choice. You should have a choice to choose who you want. Or if you don't want, you're supposed to have your choice to do that.